Welcome back to another episode of Taras Toolbox, and today we're going to do a quick little video, and I'm going to show you my framing nailer by Dewalt that I've been using for a while. I just want to give you an example and show you how it works. I really like it. It's portable and it's battery operated. Don't have to worry about pulling around no compressors or anything like that. So right now we're at a location, and I'm going to be, let me see if I can flip this camera around. I'm going to be putting this piece of wood back up on here with the nailer, and this is the nailer right here. It's a Dewalt 24-volt brushless, and it's 21-degree round head nails. That's what you use with it, and this is what we're going to be putting back up. So it works pretty easy. You just pretty much put it on the surface that you want to shoot it in, and it engages as soon as you put it on the surface. So we're going to shoot 2 nails in here and be done with it. And as you can see, it put the nails in there pretty flush. It's a pretty good nailer. If you want one, you click the link in the description. If I don't have it in the description yet, just wait until I post it. I think this one costed me like $400 or $500 for this nailer, but it saves me a lot of time. I don't have to worry about dragging around a compressor. It shoots the nails in pretty flush. It also has 2 settings on it where you can control the depth of the nail, which is setting 1 and setting 2. And this one right here is where you can control whether you have rapid fire or single fire. So let's say, for instance, you want to put those things in fast, and all you have to do is just hold your finger on the trigger, put the gun down on the surface, and it'll automatically shoot it rapidly, automatically. And the other setting, which is this one, trying to do this with one hand, and that's for single shot mode. And as you can see, it got a single nail in it, and basically that's how the gun works. Loading it and unloading it is pretty easy too. Let me show you. Loading it and unloading it, you just pull this lever here down, and then the nails go in that part there. So that was a rundown. It's pretty good. I mean, if you're looking to buy the Dewalt cordless nailer, framing nailer gun, you should get it. I haven't had any problems with it. It may have got jammed like once or twice, but that only happens like if you hit something that the nail doesn't penetrate, like a piece of metal, or you're on top of another nail, it may jam. But it's easy to take the jams out. All you have to do is use the little Allen key that they have there on the side. It pulls out. It pulls out of the gun. And then you unloosen those 2 Allen keys right there. And then it lifts up, and then you're able to take the bent nail out and restart again. And if it still doesn't unjam itself, it got a lever right here, and you pull that lever to the right, and it'll push the jammed nail out. So it's pretty easy to unjam. It's just one tool, and the tool is stored on the tool itself. And it takes the 20-volt batteries and the smaller ones too. And if you want one, you should get it. I was gonna do the Milwaukee one, but because you know I'm a Milwaukee fan, but I heard a lot of reviews about how the nails don't drive into the wood consistently if you're doing solid wood. So I gave the Dewalt a try, and I've had pretty good luck with it. As you can see, we just fixed that fence that was hanging down. Looks pretty good. And that's that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be dropping more tutorials that get straight to the point, you know, and a lot of tools, a lot of things. And we're going to be out of here. We got airplanes, and we're going to be out of here. Taras Toolbox. Make sure you subscribe.